everybody, happy Tuesday. Today we're going to get started with our number talks. So today is True or False Tuesday. So I'm going to go through these problems and you can pause the video to work them out, okay? You're going to decide if they're true or false. Remember, true means the problem is correct, and then false means the problem is wrong, okay? It's incorrect. So this first one, I have 5 plus 5 equals 0. You can pause it to figure this one out. Yep, this one's false. 5 plus 5 equals 10. That's one of our doubles. The next one is 10 plus 2 equals 12. Is that true or false? You can pause to figure it out. Yep, so this one's true. Okay, so this one's true. 10 plus 2 does equal 12, because I know that 10 and 2 more is 12. All right, let's see. 1 plus 5 plus 4. So this one you're adding 3 numbers. Okay. I'm going to give you just a second to figure this one out. Push play when you're ready for me to let you know what the answer is, okay? Yep, 1 plus 5 plus 4 does equal 10, so that is true. All right, here's our vocabulary for this week. So we have some new ones and we have some ones we've talked about before. So up here we have subtraction strategies and addition strategies. So this is what we talked about last week. So we have drawing a picture, counting on, using a number line, okay, so that you can all find up here to refresh yourself if you need to. All right, so tally charts. We've been talking about tally charts for a while, so we're going to do some more problems with tally charts. Here are the words that we look for in word problems to let us know if we're adding or subtracting. Okay, so these are the words we're going to look for. These two posters down here tell me that I can change the order of the numbers I'm adding and get the same answer. So 3 plus 4 equals 7 and 4 plus 3 equals 7. Okay, so down here you have a picture of it. So all of these counters are the same amount. We have 3 red and 4 yellow, which is 7. And over here we have 4 yellow and 3 red, which is also 7. Okay, so we're going to talk about that a little bit more this week. And then up here we have our rainbow to 10. So this week we're going to be talking about using addition facts to 10 to help us add 3 numbers and higher numbers. Okay, so these are some facts that we need to start to memorize. Remember, memorize is when you just know it. You don't have to think too hard about it. Okay, so these are all of our facts to 10. All right, let's get started. All right, so here I have my first problem. So this problem asks us, does 5 plus 4 equal 4 plus 5? Okay, so this question wants to know if 5 plus 4 equals 4 plus 5. So let's look. So over here I have 5 plus 4, and they show me that that equals 9. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Does 5 plus 4 equal 9? Yep. Let's check this side. This is 4 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and then they have 9 right here. That's what it equals. It equals 9. So 5 plus 4 equals 9, and 4 plus 5 equal 9. Are those two problems equal? Yes. So I know that 5 plus 4 and 4 plus 5 both equal 9. Okay, so we just flip-flopped the numbers. So I have 5 plus 4 over here, and 4 plus 5 over here. You can do that with addition. That doesn't work the same with subtraction though, so this is something that you can only do when you're adding. All right, so this week we're going to be talking about our facts to 10. Okay, so we need to work on memorizing all of these number pairs to 10. So I have 0 plus 10 equals 10, and then I can flip-flop those numbers and know that 10 plus 0 is also going to get me 10. And I have 1 plus 9 equals 10. And I can flip-flop those numbers, and I know that 9 plus 1 also equals 10. 2 plus 8 equals 10, and then I flip-flop them, and I see that 8 plus 2 equals 10. 3 plus 7 equals 10, and then I can flip-flop them and see that 7 plus 3 equals 10. 4 plus 6 equals 10, and then I can flip-flop them and see that 6 plus 4 equals 10. And then 5 plus 5 equals 10, and if I flip-flop them, that one's still 5 plus 5 equals 10. So we're going to do some more work with these today. All right, so I need you to go and get a piece of paper and a pencil so you can do this problem with me, okay? because I'm going to do the first part and then I need you to work on the second part. So this problem says 10 spaceships return home from Earth. So 10 spaceships. Some land on the left and some land on the right. So some are going to land in this box and some are going to land in this box. How could the spaceships land? Well, I could have one spaceship land over here, and if I had one spaceship land over here, how many would land over here? It's right, 9. So I want to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have 1 spaceship on this side and 9. And I know that 1 and 9 make 10 because I had 10 spaceships total. Okay, let's do another one. What if I had, so I still just have the 10 spaceships, but maybe I have 4 that land over here. Okay, and if 4 land over here, that means how many have to land over here? Let's write 6, because I have 4, I have 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh, uh-oh. That one went a little crazy. Okay, so 8, 9. So I have 10 total, but I have 4 over here and 6 over here. So now I know that 4 and 6 make 10. I want you to pause the video right here and figure out 2 more ways that these spaceships could land for me, okay? Write them on a separate sheet of paper so you can show your teacher what you figured out. All right, so pause the video right here. All right, so let's go on to the next slide. You're going to do these on a separate sheet of paper for me as well, okay? So you're going to find the different ways to make 10. So when I look at this first one, I see I have 1 blue block. So that's the 1 blue block. And then how many red blocks do I have? So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 red blocks. All right, so all together I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now I know that my 1 blue block and my 9 red blocks equals 10 when I add them together. Okay? So then if I just want to flip-flop that, so I have 1 plus 9 equals 10, that means what goes over here? Yeah, so that means that 9 plus 1 equals 10, right? Because I can just flip-flop my numbers to figure out this problem over here, okay? So you're going to do the same thing for this one. I see I have 2 blue blocks. Let's count the red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 2 plus 8, which equals 10. Okay, and then over here I want to know blank plus 2 equals 10. Well, I can just flip-flop my facts, right? If I know that 2 plus 8 equals 10, then that means that 8 plus 2 also equals 10. Okay? I want you to pause the video and do the next few by yourself on your separate sheet of paper. Press play when you're ready to keep going, okay? All right, so now I have a word problem. Anna has 6 red blocks, 4 blue blocks, and 2 green blocks. How many blocks does she have in all? All right, on your separate sheet of paper, a good idea might be to draw a picture. Okay, so she has 6 red blocks. Ooh. 3, 4, 5, and 6 red blocks. Okay. Then she has 4 blue blocks. Computer's going crazy. 4 blue blocks and 2 green blocks. Hopefully your picture did not go crazy like mine did, okay? But we can kind of see. I'll help us see a little bit better. All right, so I have my 6 red blocks, my 4 blue blocks, and my 2 green blocks. Down here it wants me to start by adding the 6 and 4 because what do you know that 6 and 4 equals? That's right, that's 10. So then you just have to do the 10 plus the 2, okay? I want you to figure that out by yourself. Over here, it's doing the opposite. So I can also do 4 and 2 first, which is 6, Then you just have to do 6 and 6, and that's a doubles fact that we know, right? What does that equal? Right, that equals 12, okay? All right, so let us move on to the next slide. All right, this you're going to do by yourself, okay? You can do this on a separate sheet of paper, or you can print this out and do it on this worksheet, okay? So you're going to find the number that will make 10 and then write the addition number sentence. All right, so here I have 4 baskets, so I would write a 4 on this first line. Then I need to fill in my other spots, so I would fill in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spots. So I know that 4 plus 6 equals 10, right? And you're just going to do this for all the rest until you're done, okay? If you have any questions, let us know. Have a great rest of your Tuesday. Bye.